Number 5, and just hold that thought for a second because I'm not even going to get into that one yet. But if you missed everything else in this video, make sure you don't miss number 5. That's the one people usually skip, and it's actually the one that changes the whole trajectory long term. All right. Now, if you've been searching for side hustles that actually make sense as a Christian, especially if you're someone who doesn't want to be loud, doesn't want to be flashy, doesn't want to be doing anything weird or out of alignment, this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is Claudia and I'm the founder of Lane to Wealth. On this channel, we talk about faith, money, and building wealth in a way that feels grounded, not hype, not pressure, not pretending money doesn't matter. Today, I'm walking through five side hustles Christians should be paying attention to in 2026 and beyond. Not trends, not gimmicks, things that actually compound. And again, stay until the end because number 5 matters more than people realize. All right, let's get into it. Side hustle number 1. Now, number 1, this one shocked me a little when I really started paying attention because a lot of people are quietly making money doing this and nobody's really talking about it like that. And it's a skill-based service. I know that sounds boring, but stay with me. This is for the person who's like, I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to be on camera all day. I don't want attention. Good, you don't need it. A lot of you are already doing things people would pay for. You just don't see it as a business. Organizing, writing, editing, researching, managing, communicating. And I know how Christians talk ourselves out of this. Oh, that's not special. That's just something I do. Anybody can do that. No, anybody could not. So in 2026 and moving forward, businesses don't want more noise. They want reliable people. And this kind of income works quietly. It doesn't require you to perform. It rewards consistency, integrity, and follow through. If you're introverted, private, or just not trying to be seen, this is a solid lane. Side hustle number 2, and I need to clear this up because this one gets misunderstood. Affiliate income. And before you click off, no, this does not mean becoming an influencer. I know not everybody wants to be famous. Like, I know some of you are shy. I know some of you are like, I just want something simple. Affiliate income is literally just recommending what you already use. You already do this in conversation. You tell people what works, what doesn't, what helped you, what you'd buy again. Right now, that information disappears after the conversation ends. When it's documented, it keeps working. And the reason this works well for Christians is because trust already exists. You don't have to exaggerate. You don't have to lie. You don't have to oversell. You just have to be consistent, right? Consistency matters. So side hustle number 3. Now, number 3, there's a reason I said earlier not to miss this one because this one is very accessible, but people overthink it. Digital products, guys. And let me slow this down because people hear selling and get uncomfortable because selling does not mean manipulating. Selling means organizing something useful so more people can access it. If people ask you the same questions over and over and over again, if you're always explaining the same thing, if you learn something the hard way, that is not random. So Christians are often taught to downplay what they know, but wisdom isn't meant to stay locked inside of you. This is one of those side hustles that grows slowly, then all at once, right? So side hustle number 4, and this one is about alignment, physical or niche products, not mass market, not chasing trends. Products tied to identity, values, faith, or lifestyle. People don't just buy products, they buy alignment, right? That's why this works. It's not about volume first, it's about meaning first. And when someone resonates, people share it without being asked. This also pairs well with community, right? Small, intentional spaces where people don't have to pretend. Now, the final side hustle number 5, right? If you stayed until the end, like I said, this is why. Number 5 is YouTube. And I know what you're thinking. Not everyone wants to be an influencer. Not everyone wants attention. I'm shy. I don't want to be famous. That's exactly why this works. Most people misunderstand what this actually is. This is not about being viral. This is not about posting every single day, right? This is about owning attention over time. This is about putting your thoughts, your perspective, your faith, your wisdom somewhere that compounds. People think this is fast money. It's not. believe me, because I've been doing this for a year, guys, and I still haven't made $1, right? People think this is luck. It's not. It's a leverage. And the reason this is powerful for Christian is because your faith doesn't turn off. Your values don't turn off. Your perspective doesn't turn off. This becomes the foundation everything else sits on. And this is why I said if you stayed until the end, you got the best one, because I'm doing YouTube because I want to share my faith-based wealth values in a biblical perspective. So my goal over the next few months is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I would genuinely love your support in making that happen. I'll also be giving a surprise gift to one of my subscribers or more. I like to surprise people. I've said that in one of my other videos. And if you want to go deeper, download my free ebook, How to Build Your First Wealth Stream, right? It's linked below. If this kind of content resonates, let me know by liking the video. It helps me more than you know. You get what I'm saying? So thank you. It helps me know what to make more of as well. If you like this video, I'll know if I should continue to make more videos like this. And I just want to say one thing. Please stay until the end. Please share this video. Please share it with as many people as you can, because I'm going to be opening a community soon for faith-based women that love entrepreneurship, that wants to build wealth of biblical perspective, that wants to talk about Jesus, that loves God. No, we're going to be talking about how to build wealth in a faith-based perspective using biblical scriptures. So yes, stay and follow this channel, subscribe, share it with your Christian sister, share it with somebody at church, share it with your mama, your sister, your cousin, your auntie. Yes, so thank you for watching, and God bless. I love you, ladies. Bye.